boogie with you.
See me no appointments necessary.
Yeah, out of. Why? How you guys doing? I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're doing wonderful. This is a stock market update. And to me, you only should look at the dollar and TLT to try to predict what might happen in the near-term future. This is the DXY&TLT chart daily time frame. So what do we have here? We have a lot of bullishness, beautiful, beautiful bullishness. So we have a breakout out of this downtrend that took place for the first time since October by March 4th. Last time this test was here and failed was in November 2020. And at that time, the market rallied. So there's a mirror image now, the negative correlation between the DXY and the market. See, we had an amazing monstrous rally after the election. Boom, and the dollar collapsed. The markets rallied. Now the dollar is trying to take its breath and charge to the upside. And there is no doubt that this breaking out of this trend line is bullish. And what happened after we did that, the NASDAQ started to retrace, the Apple, the QQQs, the most important stocks, popular stocks in the market. Okay, so the bullishness here, breaking out of this downtrend, breaking out of the bullish wedge on Feb 26th. Doing a beautiful 1, 2, 3 reversal. You have a low, high, higher low, higher high now confirmed with pullback and successful testing. What more would you want? Good deal. So what happened after that? We broke out of this downtrend line and the 1, 2, 3 reversal, and we hit an older price memory at 92.55. I guess. Look at it here. See, it was the lower trading range in 21st of 2020, October 2020, and this price memory right here. So there's nothing wrong with the retracement. As I said, 38 Feb retracement from this low to this high is very healthy. So what happened? We had a beautiful, beautiful bearish harami. This rejection candle is bullish because it came after a consecutive 3 days retracement. So that means you have buyers. Even if they sold at 92 in the older price memory, it showed an evidence of buyers. So this is a beautiful candle, bullish harami. If you lower the time frame, you would see a beautiful breakout out of a bull flag in the 2-hour time frame. Capisce? Good. So we discussed this bullishness of this daily time frame for the DXY. Let's look at another bullish ABC. I love ABC's ABC measured moves. It is discussed better here. So I did it here. So the ABC, you could look at the ABCs there. So from this low to this high, we have a beautiful target of 93.45, and this is the next target. I think 127 might find resistance, maybe a brief a couple of weeks correction, then you charge, and I think this might, even though I don't know the future, this might give us some volatility. You know, some people would say, okay, that's overvalued for the dollar at 262 almost Fibonacci extension. So I really don't know the future. I just like the structure. All right. So let's look at the weekly time frame. I posted this chart and uploaded this video for this chart many times. You can pause and look. There definitely some bullishness here. You can see the beautiful bullish divergence, like a mirror, like an exact image of this price action and this price action. Okay. So what are the bullishness here? You have a breakout in a bullish wedge right here. This is the downtrend line in the daily time frame. It's a bullish wedge in the weekly time frame. Good. So this is definitely an impulsive move. You can see that 2 weeks from almost 89 something to third week is almost 92 something. This is an impulsive move. This is a real monstrous move in the dollar. So what else? This is the okay, let me see. This is the 10 period moving average and the 20 period moving average in the weekly time frame. It is true, and usually most of the times when the bullish crossover take place here, a major move happens. How many times that happened before? Let's look at the previous time this happened before. Let's look at this one, a bullish crossover. This happened. Bullish crossover. This happened. Bullish crossover. This happened, and vice versa. So it's not something you ignore. So in the past, it worked wonderfully, and with this one, because you have a downtrending, downsloping moving average, and flattening, then boom, another one. So this is clear here. This is down, up sloping, then bearish crossover, and vice versa. Boom, boom, boom. So this is a major bullish development in the weekly time frame, and I think you could use the measure moves I put earlier with this one to imagine the 262 is almost right here. The 262 Feb extension, it would be here. So it's a price conjunction right here. So it makes sense if you have volatility here. You might have a smoother ride to this area, then a little retracement, then boom, boom, and a harder time right here. Good deal. So this is the USD. Let's talk about the TLT. TLT, as I stated, it shows a lot of bearishness, and it failed to break over the 10-day moving average for 2 days in a row for some times now, and boom, and it made a lower low. This is a breakdown, another breakdown. So it opened, if you notice, if you don't believe in technical analysis, it's your issue. So the low was one here at this day, 25th of Feb, was 136.45. Oh my God, I missed it by one penny. And the open in 12th of March. So this is a breakdown that comes with a gap. It's always a good confirmation when you have a gap after a breakdown. Sometimes there are so many type of gaps. Let's call this a breakaway gap. I really call it a breakaway gap. Okay, good. So that means a continuation in the downside after the breakdown. So no technician will tell you this is bullish. Even fundamentalists, they are really concerned about the 10-year yield and all these yield going up now. The 10 years, I think, made a 52-week high. I have to check it later. Let's check it now. How about that? Okay, 164. It's definitely a year high. So even fundamentalists are very concerned now. In the yields, you got in the trading range of this area. So you retraced the first time, then you charged. So if you don't believe in technical analysis, I really don't know what your problem is. So this is, let's go back to TLT. This is A, B, C. It broke down from here. And these are the numbers that measure this breakdown. Okay, 1-to-1 measure move is 134, 127 is this number right here. 162 is this number right here. I think 127 would give us some volatility right here. 129. Okay. So I think it wouldn't be smoother for TLT to go below this number. We might test these numbers. 162 most likely would be terminal, at least for a couple of months. But I think 127 is game. I really think it's game. Okay, good deal. So we talked about the relationship between the DXY and the market, and also the precious metals, and the importance of TLT at this time. Please like if you like, subscribe, share, and do love disco, do love life, and everything and anything is better with disco. Remember that. Even Beethoven is better with disco. Please like, subscribe, and share. And remember, disco is forever.